How to fix thermal paper slitting rewinding jamming, step-by-step troubleshooting guide. During thermal paper slitting rewinding, sometimes the paper gets jammed inside the roll, leading to tearing and scrap. Let's see what causes it and how to fix it. The first common cause is improper tension. If the tension is too tight, the paper is overly pulled. If it's too loose, the paper may drift and slip inside the roll. And the other one is about the neon roller. The neon roller gives the proper pressure to the rewinding shaft. If the pressure is not enough, it will give some paper slippery and overlapping each other. Another cause may be poor air released in the air shaft. If the air path is blocked, pressure imbalance occurs and the paper can shift and jam. The third cause is burrs on the paper edge, often due to dull blades. This may lead to edge fighters getting trapped in the roll. Must these few steps and the rewinding jamming will no longer be a problem. Follow Jota machinery for more expert tips. We deliver machine and reliable solution.